Hey there brides-to-be, here's a quick video using Chambor products to get that stunning and elegant look for your Sangeet or cocktail night. I'm using a darker shade for the crease and a gold shimmer for the rest of the eyelid. Applying a thin line with the gel eyeliner gives it a sharp yet natural look. To get a fuller lip effect, a lip liner does the trick. To complete this gradient look, apply a darker shade on the outer areas of the lips and fill in the rest with a lighter shade. I really hope you liked this video. Do share your thoughts in the comments below.